This is the Huawei Mate X3, a foldable phone that promises to turn your smartphone into a mini tablet. But after spending a week with it, I found something they don't tell you in the ads. Is it the foldable flagship of the future, or just a gorgeous shell with a rough user experience hiding underneath? Let's find out. Huawei Mate X3 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Mate X3 is Huawei's flagship foldable phone, first launched globally in April 2023. On paper, it's designed for people who want the flexibility of a tablet and a phone in one device. Maybe creators watching content, power users multitasking, or travelers wanting a compact but large screen device. Its main pitch? A slim, light foldable with powerful hardware, dual OLED displays, flagship-grade cameras, and fast charging, all wrapped in a premium chassis. Huawei Mate X3 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in day-to-day life? I use the Mate X3 for everything: daily browsing, social media, streaming videos, photo editing workflows, and even a bit of light gaming. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and 12 GB of RAM, the phone handled all of it smoothly. No stutters, no lag when switching between apps or splitting screens. Multitasking feels natural thanks to the big foldable inner display, and transitions, opening, closing, flipping between outer and inner screens are all smooth and satisfying. That said, there were a few caveats. Because this is Huawei, your experience depends on how willing you are to live without native Google support or find workarounds. Some apps behave like they're on a regular phone rather than a foldable, which can feel like wasted screen real estate. Features and tech. Let's talk about the headline features and why they matter. Dual 120Hz OLED displays, 7.85 inches inner plus 6.4 inches outer. Opening the phone gives you a nearly tablet-sized canvas. Scrolling feels buttery smooth, video playback looks vibrant, and switching between outer and inner screens is great for flexibility. Watch a video on the outside while replying to messages on the inside. Slim, light foldable chassis, the Mate X3 is one of the thinnest and lightest foldables around. About 5.3 millimeters thick when unfolded and 239 grams. That's a big deal if you want carry comfort. It feels far less bulky than previous foldables despite packing 2 displays and a large battery. Fast charging and wireless charging, 66-watt wired, 50-watt wireless, and 7.5-watt reverse charging. Despite the slim design, Huawei squeezed in a 4,800 mAh battery. And according to tests in real use, you can expect a full day's worth of use. When you do need a top-up, the 66-watt wired charging can push it to around 85% in around 30 minutes, which is super convenient. Flex hinge with IPX8 and wet hand mode. Handy little touches. The hinge can stop at angles, useful for video calls or media watching. And the phone is splash resistant. Also, yes, you can use the screen with wet hands, nice for outdoor or kitchen usage. Design and build. Aesthetically, Huawei knocked it out of the park. The Mate X3 feels premium, a mix of sleek metal, good-feeling panels, and a refined foldable profile. When unfolded, it feels like a small tablet. Folded, it's a surprisingly pocket-friendly smartphone. The way the hinge folds completely flat, no big bump, and the phone closes almost seamlessly add to the delight of using it. Holding it in hand feels solid but light. The thin profile and manageable weight make it way less bulky than earlier foldables or even some big-screen regular smartphones. On the flip side, and this might matter to some, operating with one hand when folded can feel a bit top-heavy because of the slim build. Pros. Dual bright 120Hz OLED displays make multitasking and media consumption a joy. Slim, lightweight foldable shell feels premium and surprisingly pocket-friendly. Useful extras: water resistance, hinge flex stop for flex mode, and reverse wireless charging. Cons: no official Google mobile services, some apps don't run as smoothly or intuitively. Battery life can be modest if you use the inner display heavily. Heavier users might need a midday top-up.